my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Everyplate. Now, if you're not familiar, Everyplate is a meal delivery service. Now, they have a few options available. You can get 2 meals, 3 meals, 4 meals, or 5 meals. You can either choose 2 servings each or 4 servings each. Now, you also have the ability to add extra meals. You can change out proteins. Sometimes they'll even have change out vegetables. You can add bacon, things like that. Now, we choose 5 meals, 2 servings, and that runs us about $63 a week. And they send just about everything that you need. Sometimes they'll ask for butter or flour. They ask us to provide the olive oil, things like that. I need a knife. So we're going to go ahead and see what kind of meals that I chose for the week. Now, they go ahead and they pre-select meals for you, but you can go in there and change the meals before your time is up. So this is the only thing I don't like that they do is they kind of stuck it in there and then just folded it. So now my recipe card is munched. So they do that. I don't really care for that, but anyway. So on these recipe cards, it tells you what the item is, all of the items you need out of the tray, and the items that you provide. Like, for instance, kosher salt and black pepper, butter, and cooking oil are the only things that you have to provide. Each meal takes around 30 minutes. They do crank up the heat on the oven quite high. I don't care for that, so I turn the oven down a little bit and just extend my cooking time. So this time we have pork sausage linguine Italiano. We have beef bean, what is that, a me bowl? It's Thai, I think. Pork chili loaded sweet potatoes. So it's like a loaded potato, but with sweet potatoes. And then we have Italian chicken sausage orzo soup. And then the last thing is chicken scallopini. And then this is the insulated bag. Now, I changed the delivery date. We used to get our orders shipped on Mondays, but I didn't want it sitting on the truck over the weekend or anything, so I changed it to Friday to make sure that we could get it as fresh as possible. So, now this is new. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. They've put all of my packets in here now instead of just in the box. But yeah, they send you packets. Look at this. Chicken stock, tomato paste, sour cream, more tomato paste, sour cream. What is that? Ponzu sauce? Ponzu sauce. They send everything that you need. So I'm glad they put it in the bag there. That's kind of nice. And then you pull out the tray. Just like that. Oh, we got a few guys that fell out of the box. And then underneath the tray, you're going to find some ice packs. And then under there, you're going to find your proteins. Yeah, see, this is frozen. When I had it delivered on Monday before, it was not frozen. It was still cold, but it wasn't frozen anymore. So this is frozen. So my idea worked. So I've got, this is what they look like, little shrink wrap. This is the ground beef. And then I have chicken breast, sweet Italian sausage, sweet Italian pork sausage. I just pulled that out twice. Oh, this is pork sausage links. Okay. And then just ground pork. So those are your proteins. So let's look at the tray. So in here is where you're going to find all of the other things that you need for the recipe. I have a baby cucumber here, tomatoes. If you only need one scallion, they'll send you the whole package of scallions. If you need only one onion or half an onion, they'll send you the whole onion. So here's cheese, a couple different kinds of cheese. Everything is marked very well. Look at that little tiny lime. Ooh, more scallions. Ooh, more scallions. Rice, little packages of rice. Sweet potatoes. Zucchini, I think. Zucchini. Little baguette. And it contains wheat. So just in case you are gluten intolerant, there you go. Pasta. If you only need 2 cloves of garlic, they will send you a whole head of garlic. I have plenty of garlic. So, and then we've got some potatoes, a lemon, and some carrots. And let me tell you, the things that they send you are quality. I have to say that these are better quality than what I get at the grocery store. The chicken is leaner, the meats are just higher quality. Everything is so good. Oh, this was the orzo, this is the rice. Okay. If you are interested in trying Everyplate for yourself, just let me know in the comments down below and I will get you a coupon so that you can get your first box for free. That is a $40 value. I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day and I will see you soon.